Opioid deaths continue to be a big problem nationwide, including in California. And today, Governor Newsom vetoed a bill that would have allowed for safe drug injection sites in several cities, including L.A. It's an idea he seemed to be open to on the campaign trail 4 years ago. And Eyewitness News reporter Josh Haskell has reaction.
California Governor Gavin Newsom vetoing a bill that would have allowed for safe drug injection sites in Oakland, San Francisco, and Los Angeles, saying the bill didn't lay out a clear plan for engaging local leadership and operating in a way that would avoid unintended consequences. Opioid-related overdose deaths in California have increased 5 times since 2006, from about 1,500 to nearly 7,000 in 2021.
Almost every street drug that we have out there, almost every patient that I have admitted to this treatment center in the last couple of months, whatever they're using, we're picking up fentanyl in their tests. So I understand the fact that they want to have a safe place for people to do that. I just think we have to be super careful on the message that we give out.
In a statement, Newsom said in part, it is possible that these sites would help improve the safety and health of our urban areas, but if done without a strong plan, they could work against this purpose. These unintended consequences in cities like Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Oakland cannot be taken lightly. Worsening drug consumption challenges in these areas is not a risk we can take. Proponents of the bill say it would have provided drug users with a hygienic space with clean needles for administering drugs, with staff on site in case of an overdose, and to connect users to drug treatment, although accepting treatment wouldn't have been a requirement, which drew criticism. This harm reduction method, rather than focusing on punishment, could have also eliminated the images of drug abuse seen throughout the state, including in Los Angeles, of needles littering our streets.
We need to educate people. We need to have places for them to come to get counseling. We need to make treatment more available for them. We need to put more money into treatment, more money into education.
Los Angeles psychotherapist John Silamparis, who works in addiction, says we have to do something to address the overdose crisis, but must have a clear end game.
The goal has to be to get off the drugs, abstinence, and eventually, sobriety.
In his statement, Newsom said he remains open to discussion about a truly limited program that would be run safely and effectively. In Los Angeles, Josh Haskell, ABC7 Eyewitness News.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel. And download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.